In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a landing page in Figma. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Creating a landing page can seem like a daunting task, but with Figma and the right plugins, it becomes a breeze. Are you ready to dive in? Let's get started. First, open up Figma and go to the files in your project. It's really straightforward. Navigate your way to your project files where all your designs are stored. The good old project overview screen will look pretty familiar, so just find the right spot to kick off your landing page creation. Once you're in your project, you'll want to activate the Landify plugin, which will help us streamline the design process. You can do this quickly by either clicking on the action menu, or, for those of you who like shortcuts, just press Ctrl-K on your keyboard. This opens up the command bar. Type in Landify in the plugin search box, and it should pop right up. This plugin is a fantastic tool to help automatically generate landing page designs based on your input. Now, once you've found Landify, go ahead and click on the option to run it. You might see a prompt asking for input details about your landing page. This is your chance to be a little creative. Give a brief description of your landing page project. Just a couple of sentences about what you want the page to convey should be enough. Don't worry too much about making it perfect. The plugin is designed to take your basic ideas and transform them into a polished design. After you've filled in your landing page description, you're almost there. Just hit the button that says Landify and watch the magic happen. The plugin will generate your landing page design based on the information you provided. It's a neat feature that takes care of a lot of the heavy lifting, allowing you to focus on refining the content and layout. Take a moment to explore your newly created landing page. You can play around with different elements such as text, images, and buttons, making adjustments until they perfectly suit your vision. The beauty of Figma lies in its flexibility and the collaborative potential it offers. If you're working with a team, you can easily share the design and receive feedback in real time. Lastly, once you're satisfied with your design, ensure you save your work. Figma has an autosave feature, but a little double check never hurts, right? You now have a landing page you can use to promote services, products, or any announcement you want to highlight. That's all there is to it. With just a few steps, you've created a visually compelling landing page in Figma. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more design tips and tricks. Happy designing!